Hi, my name is Clara. I'm 29 years old. I've been day trading for about 4 years now. I'm still unprofitable, but I have made a lot of growth in the space in my understanding of the markets. I have I've gotten pretty far. Right now, I'm just trying to break the that wall into profitability. Um, I've proven that I do know what I'm doing in the markets, as far as like executing goes, knowing what to look for, risk management, consistency. I know all those things. And the last few months, the last 2 years, last few months, I've been trying to, just break that wall into profitability. My win ratio has been 40 to 50%. And I know with that win ratio, I should be seeing some sort of profits. Now it's just about tweaking the numbers and my risk to reward and just, and then being consistent with that risk management system. I was inconsistent with it. I was sometimes going for 1 or 2. Sometimes, and my losses were bigger than my winning days. I have been profitable before. I just haven't been able to withdraw money from the markets. I've grown accounts. I've passed funded challenges. I've gotten funded accounts. I've gotten very close to a payout once, just a few months ago in 2025. And I ended up losing the account because I got into a losing streak. And yeah, I lost the account. I wasn't aware of the trailing drawdown. I was aware of it, but I wasn't being mindful of it. I was just taking my trades regularly, and on my losing days, I was taking probably 2 trades to, if I saw the opportunity still, and I hit the trailing drawdown. I wasn't being mindful of it. I wasn't calculating, how much profit I was getting into and trailing the stop up. So yeah, I lost that account. It was unfortunate. It was a 250K account, and you need to get up to 6,500, I believe, to cap the trailing, or to stop the trailing drawdown. I had gotten up to like 5,000 something, so I was so close to getting to the point where now I could start making some money to take out a payout. And yeah, so that was a bit discouraging, but also motivating, and it showed me that I can really get there. One of the things I was struggling with before as well was it was inconsistency. I wasn't consistently managing my trades the same, and that took a big toll on my progress because I'm managing different. I'm making an amount this day and I'm making less this day. I'm losing more this day, so it's very inconsistent. So what I'm doing now is I am just taking 1 trade a day, whether it's a loser, whether it's a winner, just one, so that way my losing days aren't bigger than my winning days. And I feel like it's finally clicking, but because I've been hearing that for a while. Learning ICT, he's been saying that, just take a few points, a few $100 a day, and then a few other traders will tell you that too. But yeah, I'm still on this journey. I don't plan on quitting ever. I know for some people it takes a long time to get to trading. People that I see online, I see so many people who have a following and that come up on like my algorithm, that they've been trading like a year, a few months, and they're profitable. I haven't seen someone that's like on year 4 like me, or more, or 3, whatever, that is still not profitable yet and is still going. So The reason for that I created this channel, the Instagram, is because I want to go all into the space. I'm currently unemployed, but I am okay. I know it's recommended not to trade while you're unemployed, and you should have a source of income, but I am at the point where I am not relying on trading to be my source of income, and I'm trying to like make it. I have backup plans, and I've been here before. So, but right now I am just currently unemployed and I have a little bit more time. So I've created the channels. I'm hoping to connect with other people like me, other traders, that are either learning, beginning, whatever. Anybody that wants to connect with me. I'm from New York City. I like to play tennis. I'm learning that as well. I would say probably like an intermediate beginner. If anyone's in NYC and wants to play, hit me up. I'm into music. I'm into all sorts of things, and that's one of the reasons why I got into trading, because there's so many things that I love doing and want to do and learn, and I want time freedom so I could do all these things and do them with my friends and family and travel, etc. But yeah, I created this channel because for that, to connect with other traders, to document my journey, and yeah. So give me a follow, a follow if it's on Instagram, subscribe if it's on YouTube, like, comment, hit me up with if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, any tips, anything. I'm open to all of it. And yeah, follow me on my journey. I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna get a payout this year, and who knows, maybe multiple payouts. I just feel like I'm at that point where I'm really close. Like, everything is clicking now. At first, I got past the gambling. I've been consistent showing up to the charts. I'm consistent at following my rules, 99% of the time. If I ever mess up, it's maybe I took one extra trade, and that's rarely. Maybe I risked a little bit more, usually by accident. It's usually those type of things that happen to anyone, even professional traders, that are, just little things. So I am at a point where everything is lining up. It's just now about, okay, make sure your winning days are bigger than your losing days. Make sure you're waiting for clean setups that you feel conviction in. So it's, I think with me knowing that and being there, that's why I feel like it's my year, and I want to bring you guys along. I'm still figuring out this content stuff, so yeah, bear with me, I guess. Or the quality might not be as great. I'm shooting on my iPhone, and I'm just getting started. I'm not trying to do too much, but yeah, hopefully this resonates with someone. Hopefully someone enjoys this. Again, reach out, however, and yeah, I'm excited.